It's going to be an employment crisis that's coming, right? With AGI, and then there's even more super AI, super intelligence. In a world like that, I'm curious. First of all, like, what sort of, how feasible, understanding with the understanding that you have with taxes and the tax laws and stuff like that, what, just generally speaking, do you feel like a programs like UBI and others could be feasible and could address these current issues that will come up in this new era?
That's a great question. Wow. Loaded question. Thank you. No, it's all good. It's all good. So in my humble opinion, I am a believer in UBI.
Okay.
I think that it is a key component to helping mitigate this disparity in wealth that we're going to continue to experience throughout our lifetimes and the lifetimes of our children.
Sure.
Will it be forthcoming at a federal level? Probably not so much over the course of the next 4 years. Will it become feasible at a state level? In a state like Colorado, where we have governance that is really focused on the needs of the common person, there's a stronger likelihood of that happening. The inevitability of it all distills down to an excellent observation you made, and I call it the dichotomy of wealth. It is tearing apart the fabric of our democracy presently,
Wow.
and there needs to be cures for it one way or another. And UBI certainly is one.